Hey everyone, welcome back to Ooh La La. Today we'll be making a quick and healthy coconut chia pudding. It's a perfect make-ahead breakfast that's creamy, customizable, and loaded with nutrition. Here's what you'll need. 1 13.5 ounce can of coconut milk, 1/3 cup of chia seeds, which is about 5 tablespoons measured, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's get started. First, grab your can of coconut milk and give it a good shake. Then pour it into a large bowl and whisk until smooth. Next, we'll add in the vanilla extract and then the honey. Give it all a good mix. Now, stir in your chia seeds and mix this thoroughly so they don't clump together. Using 1/3 cup of chia seeds produces a firmer texture, so if you like a looser consistency, use 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of chia seeds instead. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours or overnight. This lets the chia seeds absorb the liquid and turn into a thick, pudding-like texture, perfect for a ready-to-go breakfast. Okay, it's the next morning and our chia pudding is all set. Look how thick and creamy this is. Once again, if you like a looser consistency, at this point you can add some more milk, or at the beginning of the recipe, you could add 4 tablespoons of chia seeds instead of 5. Alright, let's portion it into our jars and add our favorite toppings. I'm topping one with strawberry jam, banana slices, and granola. And the other one, I'll do some fresh strawberries and a sprinkle of chocolate. But you can use whatever toppings you prefer. Some great options are fresh fruits, granola, jam, anything you like. And there you have it, your new go-to healthy breakfast. Ooh la la. Let me know how you topped yours and if you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. See you next time.